Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you the fog lights fuse and relay location. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. The fuse box you need is located under the front hood, just next to the battery. It's right here, very easy accessible. Now to remove the cover you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press this tab together and lift up. And you will do the same on the other one as well. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram which you can use to locate any of the fuses. And right here there is a fuse puller you can use to remove each of the fuses. Front fog lights fuse, it's fuse number 40, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located right here, and just under it this is the fog lights relay. Now to test this relay your best option is just try to replace it with one of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay and have it replaced. If both the fuse and the relay prove to be good, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics. First make sure the actual fog light bulbs are good, and then you'll have to start looking at the fog light switch, wiring and electrical connectors. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.